What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a cross-platform friend in EA Sports FC 26. This feature lets you play across platforms. So if you're on PlayStation, you can play with Xbox players, and if you're on Xbox, you can play with PlayStation players. Pretty cool, right? Alright, here's what you need to do. From the main menu, move left and open settings, then go to online settings and look for the option that says crossplay. Make sure that's turned on. If you're on Xbox and don't see the option, you might need to enable crossplay through your Xbox privacy settings. Just head there and make sure crossplay is allowed. Once both of you have crossplay turned on, press R2 on PlayStation or RT on Xbox to open the player search menu. You'll see your username there. Share your EID with your friend or they can share theirs with you. Then just search for their name, send a friend request, and once it's accepted, you'll be connected. After that, you can see when they are online, invite them to your party and play together, whether it's matches, clubs or any other online mode. And that's basically it. Super easy. Hope this helps you out. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.